Chance for Ateneo. Valdez. Coverage by Morado. Balik kay Baldo. Lumusot sa blockers. Fajardo keeps it up. D.
Playable. And Valdez going for a push.
Morado decides to go to Hekiliana. What a dive by Denicilio. Galang, cross court. Valdez was there. Valdez asks for it. Valdez is blocked.
Oh,
playable.
Still alive.
What a reaction by Giselle Tan. Longest rally of the game.
Oh,
And it's not over.
true.
Galang. Hekiliana. Makatili.
What a save.
It's still live.
Oh,
Napagod.
napagod. Ang dami ng sets na napunta kay Aragalang. But
Oh.
credit both schools on that last play.
Grabe yung mga player.
Yep.
Binibigay lahat ng kaya nilang ibigay para makakuha ng puntos. Kaya lang kinapos na dun sa dulo.
Kung ako lang masusunod 2 points sa Ateneo, 1